Happy Monday and West Coast Swing Day, everybody. This is our Intermediate Advanced West Coast. So we did a very simple warm-up. We did a sugar push, left side pass. So we did 1, 3, and 4. Then a basic left side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then a right side rolling pass. So a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then a left side spinning pass. 3 and 4. Back to normal hand. Then we made it a little fancier with a left side pass with a leader's hand change. So this is a really nice way to change hands leader. We have our 1, 2, he turns back to where he came from, 3 and 4, and down to the right to right. Then we still did a right side rolling pass, getting used to guiding it with that right hand. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then we still did our left side spinning pass with a head loop. So 3 and loop your head on 4, put the hand on the shoulder, 5 and 6. Then continuing with that same sequence, we added an illusion turn, and that happens on that right to right pass. So we have our left side pass, we change hands here, anchor step. Here's where leaders, you're leading that J-hook whip, or that J-hook like whip. You're leading it upward, that spiral, and you offer the second hand right away for the 2. Then on the 3, that was 2, 3, and is when the hand's going to break. We talked about how the right hand stays on top the whole time, and we're really focusing our left hands on staying connected. Then bring the hands down, and we anchor step. Then we finished it out with a prep for our left side spinning pass, a double head loop here, and we anchor step. We showed how we can do a long chain progression of these if we want. So excuse me a little bit. So the key here is, again, staying connected, not focusing on breaking apart. So he leaves the hand up, offers the second hand, 2, 3, and notice my focus is staying down the line of dance. My spin frame is staying squared up, and we're breaking at the wrist every single time. When he's ready to lead us out, he'll loop that left hand, and we'll end it. And we can still do our left side spinning pass with our double head loop. Good job, you guys. That was a lot of fun.